Assalamualaikum. Today the topic which we are going to discuss is peculiar behavior of beryllium. First of all, you should know that group 2A elements are also called alkaline earth metals, and these elements are beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, and radium. Beryllium is the first member of alkaline earth metals or group 2A, and we know that every first member of the family behaves differently from other members of the group. So beryllium shows some peculiar behavior. And what are the reasons behind these peculiar behavior? Two main reasons are, number one, due to its smaller atomic size, and number two, higher electronegativity value. Actually, beryllium is the first element of group 2A, and we know that from top to bottom across the group, atomic sizes increases. It means the first member is having small size. While moving toward electronegativity, we know that alkali or alkaline earth metals are electropositive, but due to smaller size of beryllium, it do not lose its electron easily. So that's why we can say that it has higher electronegativity value as compared to the other two members of the group. It means due to smaller size and higher electronegativity value, beryllium shows some peculiar behavior. There are some points of difference. Number one, hardness. Number two, melting point and boiling point. Number third, oxidation. Number four, reaction with alkalis. Number five will be reaction with water. And number six will be reducing agent. First of all, we will discuss about hardness. Actually, beryllium metal is as hard as iron and hard enough to scratch glass, while other alkaline metals are softer than beryllium, but they are still harder than group 1A element. Actually, beryllium अपने बाकी group members से hardness में differently behave करता है. Beryllium iron की तरह hard है, इतना hard है कि ये glass को भी scratch कर सकता है, जबकि बाकी members softer behavior रखते हैं. Number two, melting and boiling points. Beryllium, due to its small size, higher electronegativity values, strong intermolecular forces, beryllium metal has higher melting and boiling points, while other alkaline earth metals have low melting and boiling points. Number third, as reducing agent. We know that alkali or alkaline earth metals are good reducing agent. They have tendency to lose electron, but due to small size of beryllium, it shows less value of negative reduction potential, while other alkaline earth metals are powerful reducing agents. And here I should include that when we move from top to bottom, reduction potential value increases. It means reactivity down the group increases. Next, reaction with water. Beryllium metal, when react with water, forms insoluble oxides coating when react with water, which further protect it from further attack. Actually, when we react beryllium with water, there will be the formation of insoluble oxides, and these oxides will further protect beryllium from further attack, while other members of this family rapidly react with water to form hydroxides. Oxidation. Beryllium metal is quite resistant toward complete oxidation even by acids. It forms oxide coating on its surface. Actually, जब हम beryllium को oxygen के साथ treat करें, तो complete oxidation नहीं होती. हाँ, अलबत्ता ये हो जाता है कि बेरिलियम की सरफेस के ऊपर ऑक्साइड्स की एक कोटिंग बन जाती है, और यही कोटिंग बेरिलियम मेटल को फर्दर कोरोड होने से या ऑक्सीडाइज्ड होने से बचाती है, जबकि अदर अल्कलाइन मेटल्स अंडरगो कंप्लीट ऑक्सीडेशन और उनके ऊपर उनका ये रिएक्शन कंप्लीट हो जाता है. Next, reaction with alkalis. Alkalis here means bases. Beryllium metal react with alkalis to produce hydrogen as here as showing in the reaction. Beryllium when react with sodium hydroxide is alkali or base. When beryllium is reacting with 2 moles of sodium hydroxide, sodium berylate formation take place along with the formation of hydrogen. जबकि बाकी ग्रुप मेंबर्स अल्कलाइन अर्थ मेटल्स के ये रिएक्शन शो नहीं करते. That was all about today's lecture.